In this guide, we are going over how you can download and install save files here in The Sims 4. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by actually closing out of The Sims 4 if you do have it opened up. And go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. Now, what I'd recommend doing is just immediately going to CurseForge, but you can really use any other Sims 4 host as well. I just think CurseForge is the best. And this isn't sponsored or anything. Just go to curseforge.com. Once you're on curseforge.com, scroll down a little bit, find The Sims 4, open it up. And what I would just do to make it even easier for you so you don't have to go through all the files as well, is just hit Get CurseForge app and then hit Download Standalone. Go through the installation process and then open up CurseForge for yourself and sign into your account. You don't have to create an account. I just think it makes it a little bit easier. But essentially, once you're on here, find The Sims 4 on here, select it, and then go to this Discover tab, and you're going to see a bunch of different stuff on here. Go ahead and look for the save file option on here, and you can go ahead and find really whatever you would like. For example, we could go ahead and choose something like this right here, since it's got 137,000 downloads. Or actually, let's do this one. This one has 2.2 million. Find one that you like though, hit download or search for a specific one, and then hit save, just like so. It's going to immediately start downloading for you. And then from here, all you have to do is just go back up to the top, select Sims 4 again, and just launch it through CurseForge. You could also launch it normally. You don't have to launch it a direct way. However, I just think it's easier to launch it directly through this game. Once it does launch for you, and it might take a second to launch for the first time that you do launch it through CurseForge, you can hit load game and you'll see all your saved files on here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.